Alright, welcome back. And on this video, like I said, I'm going to be sharing with you guys what platforms should be using as a digital marketer and why you should be using them. Basically, there are actually four platforms I'm here to share with you guys. Basically, you already know them, but you don't actually know for what reason, what particular reason you should be using those platforms. And first of all, we're going to start with platforms like Twitter, which is X, formerly known as Twitter. And X is actually a platform which was formerly known as Twitter and is owned by your popular crypto celebrity rather, which is Elon Musk. Whether you like it or not, that guy's making a lot of money. So basically, that particular social media platform, one way or another, in case you haven't noticed, is a platform people usually use to get clients rather than on Twitter. They don't do trashy things, unlike TikTok or Facebook rather, where people go to like have fun, cruise, watch comedy. On Twitter, basically, it's the opposite. You don't go there to watch comedy. Now you're there to write an article, you are there to get a client, you're there to get a job, or one way or another. Yeah, people on Twitter basically have for different purposes. They're not actually there to play or catch crisis, unlike the rest of the platform they actually see out there. So basically, if you're a digital marketer, Twitter is one of the platforms you should definitely be using. And regardless of the product you're actually trying to sell, or regardless of whatever you're trying to do, as long as you're a digital marketer, you should definitely be using Twitter one way or another. Be it a YouTuber, whatever business you are doing, or whatever brand you're trying to what's it called, to market, you should be using Twitter because Twitter are basically, I'm going to be honest with you, there are lots of clients on Twitter, lots and lots of clients on Twitter. So most people like Web3 and stuff like that, they actually, yeah, people use Twitter for Web3 because basically they believe those are where people who are willing to invest, people who are willing to join into the crypto market. So same way goes to other businesses. There are a lot of people who want to purchase your products or your goods on Twitter, basically because Twitter they don't go there to play or catch crisis. There are a lot of audience on Twitter, so not just on Facebook. So you should definitely be using Twitter. So number one is actually Twitter. Then we're going to the next one, which is actually number two, which is actually Instagram. So basically, I'm advising you guys to use Instagram because Instagram is actually an influential social media also, and the reason why I think you should be using Instagram it actually depends on what you're trying to do. If you're actually a brand and you're trying to create awareness, make a lot of people know you, showcase your work rather, you're not there to look for clients, to be honest with you. Is Instagram is mainly for creating awareness and showcasing your services. I'm going to be honest with you guys. Basically, that's what Instagram is for. So Instagram is where you go showcase your skills, make people know who you are, become famous, build an audience, grow one way or another. Basically, that's what you use it for. And you should be using that because all brands, one way or another, you need influence, you need your name. You'll be looking for actually a big gig one way or another. You need a name to actually get most of those type of jobs rather. So if you're actually not using Instagram currently, you should definitely start using Instagram. It's actually not waste the time or take anything from you, but rather it will actually connect you to more people who can actually lead to potential customers. So Instagram is one of the social media you should be using. And thirdly, you should be using Facebook. You should be using Facebook also. So I don't know what's going on with most times people these days now. Most of the times watching comedy. The reason why I said you should be using Facebook or reason why you should be using Facebook is because Facebook actually runs ads just like Instagram or like Twitter rather. But this time around, Facebook has a wider audience than other social media platforms. So one way or another, Facebook is actually a potential place for you to get lots of customers and create lots of awareness. So if you are new, you should definitely start with Facebook for new beginners into digital marketing. You should definitely start with Facebook. You can actually, and basically, there are lots of ways to earn money on Facebook also. So basically, be it through monetizing or other social media, rather other methods. So as a digital marketer, you should definitely be using a social media platform named Facebook. And most important of them all is actually the current trending social media platform, which is actually TikTok. Though most of you guys feel is not supposed to be used for digital marketing because you feel lots of people go there to rather to catch crews or do one do stupid stuff or like that. They're not actually there to learn or purchase anything. But let me surprise you. The only reason you feel TikTok is not actually eligible to do that is because of the type of people you follow on TikTok, or rather the type of accounts you are following, rather the type of accounts that are following you. So let me give you a quick wrap up. The way to get potential customers on TikTok is very simple. The moment you open a TikTok account, all you have to do is like look for a particular brand that's actually in the same feed as you are and follow them. Basically, when you follow them, you start to see things they post about their own particular brand. So basically, your TikTok is not going to be based on people going online or talking about trash or gist or whatever it is that's currently on your TikTok. So it's going to be based on the people you're actually currently following and people that are currently following you. And if you follow people, right people that in particular that's in your that are in your particular feed at that moment, you should be getting followers on that particular feed also. So one way or another, you can actually customize it, your TikTok with minimum effort. You can customize your TikTok to be your perfect business social media platform. And believe me, there are a lot of people making sales on TikTok. So with this social media platform I've listed, if you're a digital marketer and you are not using one of these platform, or rather not using these platforms, you are definitely missing out. And you should be using this platform. Even if you are not a digital marketer, like you own a business, you should be using these platforms. These platforms are like they are there at your disposals. So you should use them to the fullest. Use it to the fullest. Don't wait for anybody to tell you to use them. So one way or another, I think basically that's it. And I'm giving you social media platforms and the reason why you should be using them. So I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you. And it's your favorite host also. Thank you.